London for the last leg of my trip. If you didn't already see the tour of my Truro Airbnb, it's going to be up on my channel if you want to check out Truro and also Penzance. This is going to be my home for the next 3 nights, and let me give you a small little tour. I am staying at the Hub Premier in Marylebone by the Edgware Road station. So this is what my room looks like. It's a little compact room. So as soon as I walk in, this is my view. It was raining, so everything's a bit wet, and I just dug out my camera. But they have 2 spots to hang things, and then I just popped my suitcase here for a moment. And they have a hairdryer. They have like this tiny little closet area to hang coats. And then as soon as I turn to my right, this is my bathroom with a lovely giant mirror. Like, the lighting is really nice in here as well in the bathroom. Very nice. Nice and clean and sparkly in here. This is the shower, which I'm very happy. There is an actual, oh, it opens and closes. It doesn't slide. There's like a little door thing so that the water doesn't splatter everywhere. So that's good. And then also get some fresh air coming into there to help with steam. So let's see what we've got here. White tea and neroli body wash shampoo. Okay. I brought my own, so I probably won't be using that. Maybe I'll try the body wash, but we'll see. And then this is the toilet, toilet paper, sink, and towels, and just they've got this kind of material on the door and the windows so that you're not completely boxed in. You can still get natural lighting here, but also have some privacy if you're like sharing the space with somebody. And there's a little mirror right here, hello again, which is perfect to check out the outfit. And over here is another, you can like get into your little closet area. But this is the bed. So it's nice because if you want your luggage out of the way, you can store it here, and it looks like they keep it nice and clean. I will definitely be storing my luggage there. And then over here, let's see what's inside. Ooh, nice big drawer to put items. So I guess if you're staying for a long time, this is really nice to have like extra space just to put things so that it's not blocking your walkway basically. And then I've got, let's see here, got the comforter, the remote. They give you, take me, I'm yours. I will take it. Thank you very much. Some free waters. They also have really good breakfast options at these Hub Premiers. I believe it's like £24 for 3 nights. It's like just £8 a day. You don't have to pay for it all up front. You can choose to go downstairs and eat in the morning if you feel like it or not. This is like alcohol menu and stuff. We've got a lovely TV. Look at this fabulous map of London town. The first part of my trip, let's see, I stayed by City of London, which, where is it over here? Somewhere over there is where I stayed. And now this time I'm staying Marylebone, right there. So I like to stay in different areas just so that I can walk around in different areas because London is so massive. And then over here, it looks like I got some light switches, some USB plugs, and let's see, behind here, very nice. We've got a reading light over there. I can control the temperature and the lights here as well. This looks like, let's see what happens. Auto. So some auto fan. So yeah, I'll mess with those. And then some of the rooms, they do not have a view. My original room actually didn't have a window. It was like a fake window, but I went ahead and asked if they had any available rooms with a window because for the standard room, it's going to be the same price regardless if there's a window or not. And they kindly upgraded me to a window room. So now It's really dark and rainy right now, and it's like around 4 p.m. so the sun is gone, but I have a view, and that is my fabulous room. There's also a reflection here, which I guess it's like an extra mirror kind of ish. It's kind of nice though, because there's a reflection. The room is so small that all these mirrors and everything makes it feel bigger, and the window definitely helps. So hope you enjoyed my London hotel tour at the Hub Premier Inn. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more travel vlogs in general, all the good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!